Greetings, home sellers. When selling a home, there are certain things that might need fixing or upgrading, depending on their condition, cost, and the current market trends. First and foremost, focus on curb appeal. A well-landscaped front yard with trimmed bushes, colorful flowers, and a clean entrance creates a great first impression. Make sure your home looks inviting and well-maintained to catch buyers' eyes. Clean and declutter your home to make it more appealing to potential buyers. A well-organized space can make a difference in the way buyers perceive the property. Decluttering also makes rooms appear more spacious, which is a huge selling point. The kitchen is often the heart of a home, so consider upgrading outdated appliances or adding modern touches like new countertops or cabinet hardware. Kitchen improvements tend to have a high return on investment and can make a significant impact on buyers. Don't neglect the bathrooms. Replace outdated fixtures, recalk the tub and shower, and ensure proper lighting for a fresh look. A clean, well-maintained bathroom can greatly enhance the overall appeal of a house. Finally, consider energy-efficient improvements like upgraded insulation, energy-saving windows, and solar panels. These investments can not only save you money in the long run, but also make your home more attractive to environmentally conscious buyers. Let's talk. Remember, the specific needs of your property may vary, so it's always a good idea to consult with a trusted real estate professional who understands the local market and can provide personalized advice based on your situation. For more information, call SK Homes. We are always here to assist you with your home sale and purchase.